I'm Mashy P, and today in Parramatta at the festival we introduce our new Sunny Bin sound system, the Cockatoo Cranker, based on the idea of the cockatoo and the colours, the white and yellow. And basically we've got 4 bins going to the festival. What we have in the bin, basically it's like a car stereo in a bin. The Willy bin is a very good sound because it has one big moulding, and we put, if you come and have a look inside the bin, the battery is in the bottom, and all the speakers and the active crossovers and the amplifiers on the side, and it all fits in the bin. And then we put this this lid on the top, keeps all that down, and then you can just play your music. This one I'm going to be DJing on, and I've been using this application on an iPhone called Algorithm. If you come and have a look a little bit closer. Here we are at Sydney Festival Parramatta. We've got all the bins roving through the streets, but it's pouring with rain. We're in a tunnel here seeking shelter, and the security guard has given us his iPod to play a track. Hey, here we are in Parramatta. It stopped raining. Oops. Thank you.
It's only a shock of a clue, believe me, I know.